Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable head tracking for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro using application. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to scroll down and need to find audio effects. Tap on it and then click at the dimensional audio. Firstly, you need to enable immersive sound, so this is a special audio, and just tap at the slider and then you can enable head tracking. So you need to also tap at the slider if the slider have empty background. To disable it, the same process, you need to press one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!